Now I'm going to share about formatting rules. So first, this is the font, different type of font, and this is the font size. You can choose the font size by yourself, or you can just key the font size that you want. And then this is increase the font size, and this is decrease the font size. And then this is the align left, this is align center, and this is align right, and this is justify. So the difference between align left and justify is when you select align left, it will have some space over here, and when you click on justify, the space will disappear, and all the sentence will on the same line. And when you click on Ctrl A, it will automatically select all the text, and it will be easier to change the font and do the formatting rules. And this is the line and paragraph spacing. So it will change the spacing between the sentence. Choose Times New Roman and increase the font size to 12. And next, when you click on layout, you can select the margins headed here. There are different margins to select. And then next is the orientation. Orientation, you can choose portrait or landscape. This one is landscape, and this one is portrait. And for the columns, you can choose either 1, 2, 3, left or right. When you select all and select the columns to 2, it will become like this. This will be a paragraph over here and another paragraph over here. Ctrl A, select all, and then Ctrl V to paste. It will be like this. And then when you click on here and click on breaks and click on page, it will insert a page break over here. Then the text will automatically be selected to the next page. So that's all for my sharing on formatting rules. And I'm going to show about how to create. And secondly, I'm going to show how to create table of content. I'm going to search an essay on the internet. And this is the essay that I copied on the internet. And to create table of content, first we need to have headings. And we select on the text that we want to omit as heading, and click on this heading one over here. And secondly, for example, I want to select this text as heading 2, and I click on heading 2, and then we select on the place that we want to place a table of content, and then click on Reference, Table of Contents, and select on the format that you want. And the Microsoft Word will automatically generate a table of content for you. And the convenience due to internet is the heading one that I chose just now. And the quiz is the heading two that I formed just now. So for example, I insert a page break over here. And the page number has changed. So I just click on this and update the table. You can choose update the page numbers only and click on OK. Then the page number will automatically change over here. So that's all on my sharing on table of content. And next, I'm going to share on how to design a certificate template. So first, I'm going to search a border online on the internet. And once I finish searching on the internet, I'm going to change the orientation to landscape and then insert the picture, the border that I searched just now, and fix it on the page. And then next, I'm going to insert a text box over here. Which is certificate of appreciation. And then I can choose on and place it over here. Then insert another text box which say awarded to. You can also find a template online and try it on Microsoft Word. Next, I'm going to insert a signature over here. Set a line because with the signature we need to have that line. And then insert another text box over here. It shows Monday. And I'm going to make the border of the text box to be transparent. So I click on the text box and hold Ctrl and select on name. Then click on this and put no apply. Then the border will disappear. Then I wanted to change the font size and font, so I go to home and click on the font, and I wanted to choose this font and put it as 7, maybe 36. And put it on the center of the certificate. And next, on the wanted to I'm satisfied with the calligraphy, so I just remain it, and then I change on the font size, maybe 16, and put it over here. And for this, I'm going to change it to 16 too. And place it in the middle. And signature and date, I want to have the same font size and same font. Then change it to maybe 40. This also 40. Maybe I just delete the background first. It's irritating me. And click on the line over here. Then I'm going to make it thicker because it's hard to select it. Select on this. Maybe it's not thick enough. Okay, and move it to the side. Then click on the signature and place it in the middle. This is also the same. Then go to insert and insert back the border adjustment. By the way, you can click on Ctrl Z for borders that you do just now. This text, put it behind the text. Then you can insert another text box over here. Oh wait, before this, you go to the mailing first, and then start mail merge on, and then click on this step-by-step mail merge. And then you can select the document type that you want over here, and then click on next. And then you can select the starting document that you want. I will choose on use the current document, which is this certificate. And then click on next. You can use an existing list and browse on my computer. And I can choose on the template that I want. And this is a list that will receive this certificate. Click on OK. And then you can insert a merge this insert a merge field over here and select on the name. And this name, and then before that, insert the text box over here. And then on mailing, you can insert a merge field over here. Select on name. And this you also can edit the font and font size. And I will choose this. And the font size will be 36. And put it in the middle. And shape format. And make the background of the text box transparent and no outline. Then you can insert another text box over here. Put the signature. Then now insert a merge field. I think I can put a serial number to replace the signature. And I'll put on 40. And repeat the step just now. Insert another text box again. Then repeat the step and click on mailing. Insert merge field and the certificate date. This is the template that I designed. And to fill up the template, and click on next over here. And you can add a greeting line if you want, if you are writing a letter. And then you can preview your certificate over here. I think this is going to be bigger. And put the name on the side. If you want to click on center, the shortcut key is Ctrl E. Should I place it in the center? I think this font size is not suitable over here. I'm going to change to Times New Roman. Okay. And then this signature is. And then click on the next button over here. You can see the preview your certificate for the next recipient. And once you finish previewing your certificate, you can click on next here. And then you can print it out or edit the individual letters. So that's it for my sharing on how to design a certificate on Microsoft Word. And next, I'm going to share on how to do mail merge on Microsoft Word. Mail merge. First, I'm going to search a letter on internet. Copy, Control A to select all, and then Control V to paste. Okay, then to do mail merge, you can go to mail date and then start mail merge and click on step by step. Actually, the step is just similar as the certificate just now. And then click on letter and click on next. Use the current document and then click on next. I had select a document just now, which is the document same as the certificate, and then click on next. And this time I will run a greeting line over here. So I will just click on greeting line, and then you can choose greeting line for invalid recipient names over here. So I will choose to put email concern. Okay, and you can choose over here which one that you want. And you can choose the format of the name that you want. Then click on OK. So the greeting line will appear over here. And then I will like to insert the merge field, which is the recipient name. And for the best regard over here, I would like to insert the merge field and include their name over here. And then once I finish formatting the letter, I will go on next. And then this is the preview of your letter, which your letter will looks like when you print out as a PDF. Okay, and you can click on here to see on your letter. Then once you finish previewing, you can click on next and then print it out. Before printing, you can edit the individual letters over here. If you want to, as for example, I want to edit an individual letters for Calvin book. I want to maybe edit on the task. I doesn't want the task. And edit individual letters over here. Current record. And click on OK. And then it will generate a individual letter for Calvin group. And you can edit over here. And then that's all. So click save. You can click on Ctrl S to save. This is the shortcut for save. And then click on print. Merge the printer for all. Okay. And then make sure your name over here is Microsoft Print to print. And then click on OK. Then name your file. I would like to name it as and then make sure you save your PDF as PDF document over here, .pdf, and then click on save. And then the Microsoft Word will print your letter now. You need to wait for a few seconds or maybe a few minutes if your letter is if your quantity of your letter is big. Okay, it's done now. let's go to my file to check for it. Okay, this is the letter that will look like. Every letter will have a different name over here. This one is Grace Mostel. This one is Matthew Johansson. And this is Joey Sweat. So that's all for my sharing on MailWatch. Now I'm going to share a function that I selected by me. And the function that I'm going to show is insert equation on Microsoft Word. You can click on insert over here and you can see a symbol. Click on the symbol and click on the equation. And you will see many equations over here. If the equation you want doesn't appear at here, you can click on insert a new equation and it will appear as like this. Example, like I wanted to insert an fraction. Now I'll click on equation over here and click on structures, and you will see a list of format over here. And then I want to insert a fraction. You can choose many format over here. I'll choose the easiest one. Then after that, click on the box on top of it. 107 and then 105. Then you can insert any equation over here. Plus another fraction. Which is 2/5. You can insert a symbol. It's the same. Insert and then go to symbol and select on the symbol. You can see many symbols over here. If you want to find more symbols, you can click on the more symbols over here. And then find the symbol that you want over here. It has many. Then, for example, I want a symbol that shows bigger or equal to. So I select to this and then insert. And it will appear here. And then I want the symbol not equal to. So I click on this and click on select. Insert, sorry. So it will appear at here. So that's all for my sharing. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.